Hi again, folks. Tim here from High End Cheap Tech. This weekend I ran into a little situation where I just got out of the hospital. My AT&T plan renewed. I have a limited amount of data, which is good because that allows me to use my phone as a Wi-Fi hotspot, and AT&T doesn't frown upon that. So I start with 7.3 gig because I had some rollover. Look here, in one day, I ran through 7.3 down to 2.5. No, I didn't. Somebody did. And since we're using the hotspot, it's a little harder to watch. So, right after the intro, I'll go over how to generate some passwords. They're nice and complex. You can use them on your Wi-Fi hotspot. You can use them on your Wi-Fi router. You can use it in a router admin. There's a million applications. Bottom line, it's totally free. Be right back and we'll get to it. Okay, folks, like I said before the intro, somebody stole about 5 gigabyte data. Maybe not quite 5. But let's suffice to say, I put 3 gig on here. I had 9/10 of that on. That was also hacked into and rapidly disappeared before I decided to start doing this. I watched a whole bunch of videos tonight. We're on 3.5. 400 megabytes versus thousands of times data transferred. So, that's neither here nor there. So, I'm going to show you how to do this real quick. You're going to go, this is just one site. There are other ways to do it. I like this site because this thing generates some serious passwords. It just does. It's called passwordgenerator.net. Now, all kinds of settings here. All kinds. So, and you can set your password length for anywhere from 6, down to 2048. I really, honest to God, don't recommend doing 2048. I mean, nobody's ever going to crack it. You're probably not going to be able to copy and paste it very easily. It's easier if you can just, do one of these and hit copy. And there's your new password, right? Even better. You go over here to this site, password generator. You click on the advanced button, and you're going to go like here. And once again, settings. I use 12 characters. I got nothing that important that I'm worried about for what I'm using this for, which is just surfing the web. But you can, set all your settings. Include numbers, include lowercase, uppercase. Begin with a letter, or you could uncheck that. You can modify all this, and then you can click Save All Settings, and you can also have it so when you click on that Advanced button, you bookmark this one, you click on Advanced, it's going to generate you a whole new set, in this case 5. 5 is about as many as you want. You really don't want to leave people a list. Let's say you're changing once a week. Well, now you let somebody a list. If you do break in the next 5 weeks passwords, whether You're using it with your router, your SSID on your router, your Wi-Fi hotspot, and you may have problems with certain symbols. That's okay. You may have to shorten that. You shouldn't have to. And then when you're done, it'll generate this. You're going to copy that. Do the all right click and copy. And here's one. Oh, letters. Kind of weird. But they're random passwords. All letters. Yeah, that's weird. So, the whole idea here is, yeah, there are services called like LastPass. Good deal. Great. But you don't want to pay. You just want something for generating one password or maybe two for a particular reason that you're going to change on a regular basis. And that's pretty easily done. So what do you do here? So you've generated this now on your desktop. You got this. Now, I wouldn't use a file called passwords. I just use it here as an example. You can call this schmuck.txt. Point is, if you use a text file, you will simplify the whole process because you can open that in Android, you can open it in Linux, and then you can copy your latest password. So, here's the list I generated earlier today. I'm not using any of these, so have at it, write them down. It's all yours. Crazy passwords. You would then paste your latest list in there. Like I said, you probably don't want to use more than 5. 3 might be better. That's up to you. Maybe pick 3. Then you'll save that text file. You'll send in my case, I'll send an email to me, from me, and with a totally mundane subject, and attach this text file. Now, I have Gmail on everything I own, and even can get to it from Linux boxes. Like the Linux box I set up at work. Pretty simple. Now, I can save that, and as I go through passwords, guess what? I can delete them off the list. There's a million ways. Once you generated the password, let your brain do the work. You can throw it in Dropbox, Google Drive, Apple Cloud, whatever. They'll all open the text file. And then it's time to change a password. Well, we're going to number 2. And you could, annotate this and say, in use, or maybe something more obscure. Obviously, if you have a file called passwords, somebody's gonna do bad things with it. But you'd hit that. Save. It's right there on your desktop, let's say, where I saved it. Just for the purposes of the video here. You save it anywhere you can remember. Don't just go, I'll just save that to wherever Windows tells me to. Don't be an idiot. Save it. It's kind of like downloads. Save all your downloads to a folder called downloads. And create new folders if it's something specific. Makes shit way easier to find. And that's it for tonight. Like I said, there's a million ways to modify this, but it's just so easy. Even a caveman or an Apple user can do it. Uh-oh. That's going to piss off the Apple users. Sorry for the poke, guys. I know. Apple has better security. Whatever, but you can still get hacked. So, the applications of using this without having to pay to remember. All you gotta know is where that file is. And once you email it to yourself, check it on your phone, check it on your tablet, check it on your iPad, whatever, and save it. Any way you want to go about it. I mean, you can put it on a spreadsheet, and you can put dates in there and say, this is the current password until this date, change after this date. And then you'll know, or at least have an idea that you should have changed it. You can put it in your calendar, saying, change Wi-Fi router or hotspot password. Or gym membership password. Whatever. The point is, the whole idea here is it won't cost you a penny. It's a simple idea, it's a simple trick. So, personally, I just love the fact that, like here, I'm going to close this. Now here, the first one was PNS, whatever. So we're going to go here, we're going to go back here, I'm going to hit advanced again, and we're going to get a whole new list of 5. Bam! Didn't have to do a thing. Ooh, coolness. Now, I would probably uncheck this box. I just checked everything for the purpose of the video. So that's it. So please like, please subscribe. On the left and right side, I'll throw a couple of playlists up. And make sure you like and subscribe to the website. Share this post. If you have any comments or ways you would change it, let me know. And don't tell us all about LastPass. That costs money. This is free. Look at the name of the channel. Cheap tech. Well, I don't want to pay for something I can do on my own and use my own brain. And once you get in the habit of doing this, and yeah, you could make these passwords a mile long if you want. That's up to you. Totally. So, that's all. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.